Hello everyone, it's Thursday 2nd September and the time right now is 10:29 a.m. and the temperature is positive 11 degrees Celsius. Today I am at the Calgary International Airport and right now I am after the security or after all the checking. That side I'm going to do today because I think I did one at the before security last month. So I'm traveling Calgary to Montreal today, and that's why I'm doing next part of the airport today. And in the Calgary airport, mask is mandatory, so I am wearing mask right now. So maybe if I talk later, maybe my voice will not be clear, maybe. If not, take it easy. Thank you and enjoy the Calgary International after the security walk. So this way is ABCE, and the important thing is, if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. I'm just behind you. Sorry. So today when I come into the airport, it looks so busy right now. If you are living in Calgary, you can see how many planes are on the sky right now, nowadays actually. And yeah, Calgary International Airport is very busy now. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, that I'm traveling internationally. Like, I'm going outside of Canada for 2 weeks, so I'm not able to post any video within 2 weeks. So hope you guys miss me. And when I will come back, I'll make video again. And thank you so much for your love and everything. Thank you so much. I think this one is for kids. There's a huge screen for the timetable of the flight. If I had an opportunity, like I can make a video in Montreal airport.
All right.
This side is the security side, so like after the security you can come this side. Let's look at the upstairs one. I'm going on the Calgary duty free. It's D80 to 97, and Calgary there's a currency exchange. Why the duty free is closed? And you can see everywhere the sanitization. For the international travel, you have a lot of documents from Canada. Like, I will make a video like if you want to travel internationally, what you need And yes, like first of all you have to vaccinate it, and you have to download a app for the Alberta vaccination certificate. I will let you know the app name. Then you have to print out this one, and later you have to book a appointment for your travel COVID-19 test, PCR. So they're gonna send you the result within 24 to 48 hours, and you have to print out the result also with you. Yes, the procedure is a little bit different from other, because we are living in the pandemic year. Everything is changed. I think I'm not supposed to go on that side. Because I already passed the security, that side on the security gate. Okay guys, thank you. Take care, stay safe, enjoy the last month of the summer, and hope I will come back soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I've missed a flight.
No, 14 days straight. Yeah, that's unheard of. Very cool.